I'm going to demonstrate how to install PyTorch on a local machine.
I'm using Python 3.10.6, and I'll install PyTorch 1.12.1, a stable version.
Let's head over to the PyTorch website, pytorch.org.
Scrolling down, you'll find the Install PyTorch section. As you can see, the latest stable PyTorch version is 1.12.1.
So, I'll go with that.
You can install PyTorch on a machine with Linux, Mac, or Windows operating system.
I'm choosing Mac.
As for the package, you can use conda, pip, libtorch, or build using source codes.
I'll use pip. The language is either Python, C++, or Java. You guessed it, I'll use Python.
Finally, I'll copy the pip command that appeared at the bottom and open a terminal window.
I'll create a folder where I set up a virtual environment and activate it.
After that, I'll paste the pip command from the PyTorch website to install PyTorch.
The installation is complete. Let's start Python and confirm that I can import PyTorch.
The Python version is 3.10.6 as expected.
To import PyTorch, we typed import torch.
Now, we can confirm the version of PyTorch is 1.12.1, again as expected.
Let's look at installation options available for other operating systems. Here, I'm looking at Linux. For compute platform, 3 CUDA versions are available.
CUDA can take advantage of NVIDIA's GPU devices.
There is also one ROCm version for AMD's GPU devices. If you don't have those GPU devices on your computer, you need to choose CPU. Now let's look at installation options for Windows. For compute platform, 3 CUDA versions are available, just like Linux. However, there is no ROCm version. If you have no NVIDIA GPU devices on your computer, you should choose CPU. If you want to install a previous version of PyTorch, you can click on the link that says Previous Versions of PyTorch. You'll find older versions of PyTorch on the page. You can scroll down the page to see even older versions. That concludes the PyTorch installation demo. Thanks for your attention.